They even have an old school barbershop. You can get your hair cut here. Some people can get their hair cut here. Well, this is where you gamble and you make a little money. You notice that those coins are right on the edge, ready to fall, and what you do is you insert money in here and it goes down and it pushes the coins, and if they push them down into here, you go down there and get your money. Okay, here they have a pretty big store here. This here is the fuel island where trucks come and do their fuel transactions.